This is your table from page 347, this one down here at the bottom. And it actually has other interest rates on it. This first table only has 8% interest. This is the one that was in your book to begin with. But, not every loan is 8%. So this table actually has other interest rates starting with 6% and going down to 12%. But it is the monthly cost to finance $1,000. So every time you finance $1,000, you have this monthly cost for 5 years, 10 years, 15, 20, 25, 30. So let's say you were going to do $120,000 just like we did before. Now, $120,000 on my chart. My chart is for every $1,000 that I finance. So $120,000 divided by 1,000 is 120 of those. So we're actually financing $1,000 120 times, if that makes sense. So depending on how you want to finance, let's say you were going to finance for 20 years. So you are going to make 240 payments. And let's say your interest rate was 7.5. So let's go over here to 7.5, and it's 8.06. So that's $8.06 for every $1,000 that you finance. So if you take 120 times 8.06, so 120 times 8.06 is $967.20. That would be your monthly payment if you did 20 years. If you decided you wanted to do 30 years, which is what most payments are, and let's say you had 9.5%. So go on over and we find 30 years, which is $8.41. So $8.41 times 120 comes out to $1,009.20. That would be your monthly payment. So this is how this works. That's what they're doing in the next example in your book on page 348. It's example 5. So we're dealing with this chart if it's anything besides 8%. If it's 8%, you can use this chart and the monthly payment is figured for you. If it's any other percentage, we need to take the amount that you're going to borrow, divide it by 1,000. That tells you how many thousands that you're doing. And then multiply that number by the dollar amount in the column that you're looking at.